Hi, welcome to the AIAC tutorial video for the standard form of building contracts. We will demonstrate to you how to use the online portal to customize the AIAC standard form of building contracts according to your needs. First of all, I would like to direct you to our website at sfc.aiac.world. Please note that before you start, you need to create an account. The account is needed for you to generate the contract from our website. All of these are free of charge, where the only requirement is for you to sign up. The form generator is also accessible through your mobile phone. If you need more information about the standard form contracts, you can scroll down to see our key features, the benefits that the contracts offer, experts, as well as team behind the creation of the standard form contracts. For your information, the AIAC website and SFC platform is compliant with the PDPA requirements for our local users, and for those of you from Europe, it is also GDPR compliant. As of today, we have a suite of 5 building contracts that are designed to meet the specific demand of the construction industries. Aside from customizing the contracts, you can also view the sample by clicking here, and it will lead you to the PDF document. For the purpose of this demonstration video, we will show you how to customize a contract that is based on our newly revamped 2019 standard form of building contract. Now, let's click Customize. Next, you will be directed to the first page of the fill-in form, which contains the basic details of your contract. Complete all the entries on this page. If you are unsure about your entry, you can see the examples on the right-hand side. Please note that as long as you have not saved this as a completed contract, you can always go back and edit the contents later. After you are done with this first step, you can either click Continue Now or Save and Continue Later. If you choose to click Save and Continue Later, this contract will be saved in the Incomplete Contracts tab on your dashboard. On the second page is the contract document details. Complete all the entries on this page. In this section, please note that the entries will be treated as a reference to the corresponding contracts. You may customize the order of arrangement according to your priorities. On the third page are the forms to fill up the details of your contract administrator, architect, engineer, quantity surveyor, consultant, site agent, or site staff. If you indicate that you will not be appointing them, no further questions will be asked. But if you indicate their appointment, you will be required to complete certain details corresponding to your contract. Finally, on the last page of the fill-in form, there will be a form to submit your entries to personalize the contract based on your needs, such as the defects liability period and insurance coverage. As you can see, the form is cross-referenced with clauses of the contract. If you have any confusion as to which number is to be filled in, please refer to the corresponding clause in the contract. Click Submit if you are done with your contract, or click Previous if you need to do some changes. Now that you have finished customizing your contract, you have 4 options: Continue editing, Save as completed contract, Download as Word, or Generate the PDF. If you choose Continue editing, then you will be returned to the customization page where you may change any necessary information required. If you click Save as completed contract, please be warned that it cannot be edited any longer, but only replicated. Once you click Save as completed, your contract will be moved down to the completed contract section. You can now replicate and edit, download in Word format, or generate the contract in PDF version. You can also share it via email. If you have any questions related to the AIAC standard form contracts, kindly email us at sfc@aiac.world. Thank you.